in the game of music marketing, strategy is everything. Welcome, Music Me. We are going to be talking about CDBaby. CDBaby is an option for music distribution. If you create a song, you want to get your music out on all of the different digital streaming platforms. In order to do that efficiently, you need to use a music distributor like CDBaby. CDBaby, just like many of the other options for music distribution, do offer global distribution. So it's not just going to be in your area. People all over the world are going to be able to find your music, which is pretty cool. One of the things that CDBaby says that they offer is services for artists. So that includes music mastering, digital rights management, publishing administration, and marketing tools. So I'm interested to see when we log in what that looks like. One of the most important features of CDBaby is royalty collection. You are sending your music out into the world and you want to get royalties. You need to get paid for the music that people are listening to. And so not only will you distribute your music with CDBaby, but CDBaby will help collect all of that revenue and send it to you, which is a great perk of the service. One of the things that I love about CDBaby and a key feature is that there are no upfront costs. On a lot of different music distribution platforms, you have to sign up for an annual membership before you can even get started. And CDBaby doesn't do that, which is why I used CDBaby when I was first distributing music on my own, because I wanted to get a feel for it first. Go ahead and set up an account and take a look. It's not going to cost you anything at the beginning. Another key feature of CDBaby is they do offer a lot of educational resources. So they have a lot of webinars and educational content to help you learn more about music distribution. And the final feature is CDBaby is known to have great customer service. Some of the other ones like TuneCore, it can take days and days before you hear back from anyone. CDBaby is usually pretty prompt. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that, if you have worked with them, if their customer service was as good as people say, let me know. Things get so complicated so quickly. The main thing that you need to know is you're going to upload your song and they're going to distribute it and people can listen to it. That's what's most important at its most basic level. One thing that's a little different that I'm noticing right away with CDBaby is most of the other platforms just ask for your email and password. This one's having me create a username. Let's see if I can just use my email. Then it says, take me to my CDBaby account. I really like the clarity of that work. I feel like TuneCore's was more complicated than that. All right, so now it says, welcome, ready to release some music. I really like that this is really simple. It's just showing you right now exactly how one-time fee per release. And you can choose a single track or an album. And again, it's gonna give you some other options. I really like that they have this here, make money from YouTube. They make it sound simple. It's a little more complicated than that. So again, that's what I do. That's my job. If you need help figuring out the relationship between YouTube and your music and how to monetize that properly, I'd love to hear from you. I can help you figure all of that out. We now know exactly what TuneCore is. We know how to set up a TuneCore account. Now let's look at how to submit a release on TuneCore. I feel like we've been doing this for like 20 minutes already and we're only on step 3. Like CDBaby is no joke. This is the page where you can see the entire summary. This is why I like CDBaby. This lets you see all of the specifics that you have selected so that you can review your release. This has taken a lot of time to set up a release on CDBaby, and so you might run out of time and you might need to pay now and finish later. It'll save your work, it'll make sure that everything is still there, but it won't send it to release until you are ready. For the single, it's $9.99. They do have coupon codes. I obviously do not want to actually pay for this. This is not a real song. Okay, meeples, there you have it. That is everything that you need to know about CDBaby. Let's take a look at some of the other options other than CDBaby.